Breaking overnight, major developments in the global trade war. President Trump has imposed sweeping new tariffs on steel and aluminum, hitting imports with a staggering 25% tax. And now, the world is striking back. Map showing the US with steel import percentages from various countries. From Canada to China, from the European Union to South Korea, nations that supply America with steel and aluminum are feeling the impact. But it's not just them. American consumers could soon be paying the price. Factories, assembly lines, workers, cars being manufactured. These metals are used in everything from cars and appliances to medical devices and even food cans. And that means higher costs for businesses and, ultimately, you. Steel prices are already up 30% in the past 2 months. Aluminum, up 15%. The administration is standing firm. Commerce Secretary Howard insists these tariffs are worth it, calling them the most important policies America has ever had. But will they trigger a recession? Goldman Sachs just raised the odds of a US recession from 15% to 20%. Wall Street is feeling the heat. After a volatile trading session yesterday, markets are on edge. Futures show a slight uptick this morning, but uncertainty looms large. European official speaking. And now, the retaliation begins. The European Union isn't wasting any time, imposing $28 billion in tariffs on American goods. Bourbon, jeans, peanut butter, motorcycles, just a few of the US exports that will now cost more overseas. Interview with an economist. Experts warn that this could backfire. Professor Ken Metters from Wharton says these tariffs could actually hurt American manufacturing instead of helping it. Even Alcoa, a major aluminum producer in the US, warns that 100,000 American jobs could be at risk. Senator Richard Blumenthal speaking. Senator Richard Blumenthal warns that this trade war could push America into an immediate recession. Prices on essentials like food and energy could spike. And he's not alone, business leaders and investors are raising red flags. Wall Street. The Wall Street Journal calls this the dumbest trade war in history, warning that escalating tariffs could spiral out of control. And with key elections approaching, tensions are only rising. Response to stock market concerns. President Trump is deflecting blame, pointing to the previous administration. But just 6 weeks into his new term, is this still Biden's economy? Or is it now the Trump economy? The world is watching, the markets are reacting, and American consumers, caught in the middle. How will this trade war end? Stay tuned for the latest updates.